In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a CV in Microsoft Word using a clean, professional format that works great as a quick resume. Let's start by opening Microsoft Word. When it loads, you'll usually see a selection of templates. For this tutorial, we're going to build the CV from a blank document so you have full control over the layout and style. Go ahead and choose a blank page, and make sure your page is set to the standard size, usually A4 or letter, depending on your country. Next, set up your margins so the document looks balanced and easy to read. You can do this by going to the layout options and choosing normal margins, which are usually fine for most CVs. This helps make sure nothing important gets cut off when printed or viewed as a PDF. Now, let's create the header with your personal details. At the very top, type your full name in a slightly larger font size so it stands out. Then underneath, add your role or profession, such as graphic designer or software engineer. Below that, add your basic contact details, like your city and country, a professional email address, and a link to your portfolio or profile if you have one. Keep this section clean and simple, avoiding long sentences. Once the header is done, we'll move on to a short profile or summary. This is a brief paragraph of 2 to 3 sentences that highlights who you are, your main skills, and the kind of role you're looking for. Keep the wording clear and focused, and avoid using very generic statements. Think of it as your quick introduction to the employer. After your summary, create a section for your skills. List your key technical and soft skills using a simple, consistent style. Try to group similar skills together so it's easy for someone to scan them quickly. Next, add your work experience section. Start with your most recent job and move backwards. For each role, include your job title, the company, the dates you worked there, and a few concise points describing your main responsibilities and achievements. Focus on what you actually did and the impact you had. Then, create your education section. List your degrees, the institutions, and graduation dates. If you have any relevant certifications, you can place them here as well. Finally, check the overall formatting. Align everything neatly, use 1 or 2 fonts at most, and be consistent with font sizes and spacing. When you're happy with it, save your CV as both a Word document and a PDF so it's ready to share.